to celebrate their father. What can they expect?
Yeah, Caroline, well, the good news is what's left of Tropical Storm Claudette, which actually is a tropical depression now, it's getting on out of here. So the rain is wrapping up this morning. So if you're heading out to brunch, if you're heading out to maybe lunch a little bit later on, things are looking a whole lot better as the rain continues to shift a little further off to the east. Now, we did have areas of localized flooding last night. In fact, there was flash flood warnings in effect for DeKalb County. Fort Payne received over 6 inches of rain in just under 24 hours. And we still have a flash flood warning ongoing in Chattooga County. That's likely going to be allowed to expire a little bit later this morning as the rain is starting to wrap up. But look at this swath of heavy rain across northern Alabama and Georgia. Upwards of 4, 5, 6 inches of rain with lower amounts a little further into the scenic city. But Chattanooga still wound up with about a ½ inch of rain. So it was a nice soaker. Definitely good to see that rain, but also good to see it leave, especially when you have outdoor plans, because we are going to get even more as we go into your Monday. But temperature is pretty comfortable this morning. 65 in Blue Ridge, 66 in Murphy, and 63 in Altamont. A little cool out there. A little bit warmer the further south and east you go. As for your air quality, well, the rain washing away any of those pollutants. It's looking pretty good today if you're heading out. And again, by about 12 o'clock, we're already going to be in the mid 80s, and that sunshine's going to try to start peeking out. And that means we're going to likely top out in the mid to upper 80s across much of the region before cooling slightly into the lower 80s a little bit later on. But overall, your planner looking pretty good. But, you know, enjoy the little lull in the activity we're going to have, because Monday afternoon especially, we're going to be tracking yet again another round of rain. That's going to linger into early Tuesday, and then the middle of the week looking great before more rain and unsettled weather returns heading into next weekend. So as we take a look at your Vipercast, things are wrapping up. We're going to see pockets of sunshine and clouds throughout the day. Rain showers still lingering into the North Carolina mountains throughout the afternoon, gradually wrapping up as we head into the evening. And going into the first part of Monday, the clouds start to kind of return to the area, and then we start to see those bubble up showers and thunderstorms ahead of a cold front. And some of these storms are going to be pretty robust ahead of a cold front. In fact, we could have some severe storms across this Tennessee Valley as we head into your Monday evening. So that's going to be something to monitor closely. Be sure you have a way to receive those severe alerts throughout the day. And we could also pick up an additional 1 to 2 inches of rain, and we already have saturated grounds in some locations, especially in northern Georgia down in Chattooga County. So that could aggravate some of those flooding concerns as we move forward. But the good news is humidity going to start to drop heading into the middle of the week, and I feel a lot more comfortable out there, and no one's going to complain about that in the middle of June. And also towards the end of the month, we're trending below average, so we could see some more lower 80s move back into your forecast. Again, if you have any plans with Dad today, maybe going out to Father's Day blues and brews at Chattanooga Market, I'm going to start out in the lower 80s around 11 o'clock. A lot of clouds out there, some sunshine by 4. Temperatures warming up quickly, so be sure to stay hydrated. It's also going to be very steamy out there. And looking ahead at your next 7 days, again, round of rain, likely going to be a weather alert day tomorrow. And then going into Tuesday and Wednesday, we clear out and cool down with lower humidity. And that's going to wrap it up for your weather. Back to you, Caroline.